Welcome to the Field Service mobile application, an application to track users' activity and task. Now let's log in first to go through the functionality. Let's type provided user ID and password, then click Login. It will bring us to the dashboard. On Dashboard, user will have four main options: ticket list, calendar and map view, and inventory information. Let's view the ticket list by clicking menu My Tickets. Here, user can see all the tickets which are assigned by system user. All unconfirmed tickets are listed inside Scheduled tab. User can select any ticket, and after review, user can select Confirm button. After confirmation, ticket will appear under Confirmed tab. Now users can pick any confirmed ticket from this list to serve. On ticket, we have customer information like name, address, contacts, plan time, and deadline. While traveling to the service location, the user's location will be tracked until the task is completed. That's why users should click Start Travel when they begin working on the ticket. Our application will continue tracking their location even when running in the background. You can check the location tracking status from Application Location Status. Once user reaches the ticket location, user should click Start On-Site to track task completion timing. Once the task will be completed, user should be click Complete. After task completion, our app will stop tracking your location. User can check location tracking status from the system. User can view worksheet, instructions, or items. On click Worksheet tab on bottom, will open worksheet list. If needed, user can modify worksheet information also. On click Instructions tab on bottom, will open work instructions information. On click Items tab on bottom, will open item list. User can add new item by clicking Add Item on bottom. Here, user can add product, lot or serial, quantity and tracking number, and hit Save. It will create new items. Now let's move back to the dashboard again. From calendar view, user can check ticket from calendar daily, weekly, or monthly. From here also, user can view and update ticket details. From map view, user can check ticket location-wise where each location will be marked. From here also, user can view and update ticket details. From My Inventory option, user can check their stock for van location. On our app, user can provide attendances with Start My Day and End My Day. Also, user can review their timesheets. Thank you for watching.